Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your sales tax return in Texas using an easy method. Filing your sales tax return can seem daunting, but with the right approach, it's straightforward. We'll focus on the most efficient way to complete this important task, ensuring you meet your obligations without unnecessary stress. Get ready to simplify your sales tax filing process and keep your business compliant. To begin, you'll need to register for WebFile on the Texas Comptroller's website. This online portal is designed to make filing simple and secure. Have your Texas taxpayer number and a current email address ready, as these are essential for setting up your account. Once registered, you'll create a unique username and a strong password, ensuring your financial information remains protected. Next, you will accurately report your total sales and the portion that is taxable. The WebFile system is user-friendly, guiding you step by step through the data entry process. Be sure to enter all figures precisely, as this directly impacts your tax liability. The system also helps identify any applicable deductions or credits, potentially reducing the amount you owe. Double-checking your work here is crucial. Finally, take a moment to thoroughly review your entire return for any discrepancies. This critical step helps prevent errors before submission. Once satisfied, select your preferred payment method. Options typically include electronic funds transfer or using a credit card. After successful submission, remember to save your confirmation number and a copy of the filed return for your business records. This ensures you have proof of compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.